Well, have you ever wondered about the secrets of the past? The lost technologies that could have reshaped our world? In the annals of history lie tales of extraordinary inventors and their revolutionary technologies that, for one reason or another, never saw the light of day. These are the enigmas of lost technologies, the pioneering inventions that could have potentially altered the course of human civilization. From the depths of the ancient world to the zenith of the Industrial Revolution, there's an abundance of such tantalizing inventions. Imagine a world where electricity was wireless, water formed vortexes of energy, and domes were the epitome of architectural genius. Imagine a world with machines so advanced they'd seem magical even in the 21st century. These technologies, as fascinating as they are shrouded in mystery, their true potential concealed within the minds of their creators. Now, what if we told you some of the greatest inventors in history had their inventions lost to time? Imagine a world where electricity flows freely through the air. Sounds too futuristic? Well, Nikola Tesla didn't think so. The Serbian-American inventor Nikola Tesla was a man far ahead of his time, his vision to illuminate the world with wireless energy. Tesla believed in the possibility of transmitting energy through the Earth's atmosphere without the need for wires. A concept that even today sounds like something out of a science fiction novel. His most ambitious project, the Wardenclyffe Tower, was designed to demonstrate this very principle. It was to be a magnifying transmitter, a radio signal powerhouse that could send information and even energy across vast distances. Tesla envisioned a global wireless system for sending messages, making phone calls, and providing free electricity. However, his grand plans came to a halt due to lack of funding. His investors, unable to grasp the potential of his vision, pulled their support. The project was abandoned and the tower was eventually demolished. Despite this setback, Tesla never gave up on his dream of wireless energy transmission. He spent the rest of his life working on other inventions and innovations, but his vision of a world powered by wireless energy remained unrealized. Today, as we look at the world around us, we see wireless technology becoming more prevalent. We have wireless communication, wireless charging, even wireless internet. But the dream of a world fully powered by wireless energy is still a dream. Could Tesla's dream of wireless energy be the key to our future? What do you think? Water, the source of life, but could it also be the source of untapped energy? Victor Schauberger believed so. In the early 20th century, Victor Schauberger, an Austrian forester, turned his keen observation skills towards the natural world, particularly focusing on the behavior of water. He noticed that water, in its most energetic state, moved in spirals, creating vortexes. This observation sparked his curiosity and led him to conduct a series of experiments. Schauberger manipulated water in such a way that it formed a powerful vortex, similar to a tornado or a whirlpool. The vortex, according to Schauberger, had the potential to generate an immense amount of energy. He envisioned this as an alternative, renewable and clean source of power that could revolutionize our energy industry. Despite his innovative thinking and practical experiments, Schauberger's ideas did not gain widespread acceptance during his lifetime. His work was largely forgotten, lost in the annals of time. Yet his vision of harnessing the energy of water vortexes is a tantalizing prospect that remains unexplored. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in Schauberger's work, with scientists and inventors trying to understand and replicate his experiments. The dream of harnessing the power of water vortexes is alive, albeit largely unrecognized. As we continue to search for sustainable energy solutions in a world grappling with climate change, perhaps it's time we revisit the work of visionaries like Schauberger. Do you believe we could still unlock the potential of Schauberger's water vortexes? Imagine living in a house that's energy efficient, cost-effective, and resistant to natural disasters. R. Buckminster Fuller did. Fuller, an American architect and inventor, introduced the world to geodesic domes in the mid-20th century. These structures, made from interconnected triangles, are fascinating feats of engineering. Their unique design provides unparalleled strength and stability, making them far more resilient to natural disasters than traditional homes. In addition to their structural strength, geodesic domes are incredibly energy efficient. Their spherical design allows for optimal air circulation, resulting in less energy needed for heating and cooling. Moreover, they offer a large living area for a relatively small surface area, making them cost-effective to build. So why aren't we all living in geodesic domes? Well, despite their numerous benefits, geodesic domes have their downsides. They are unconventional and can be challenging to furnish due to their curved walls. Plus, many building codes and zoning regulations don't accommodate these unique structures, making them difficult to build in certain areas. However, with the increasing need for sustainable and resilient housing, there's a chance that geodesic domes could make a comeback. After all, they embody Fuller's philosophy of doing more with less, a concept that is more relevant today than ever before. Could these geodesic domes be the solution to our housing problems? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, R. Buckminster Fuller's innovative design has left a lasting impression on the world of architecture and beyond. An automatic door, a vending machine, a steam engine, all inventions of the 21st century. Think again, Heron of Alexandria begs to differ. In the bustling metropolis of ancient Alexandria, a mind was at work, crafting marvels that would echo through millennia. Heron, a Greek engineer and mathematician, was a man ahead of his time. Take his Eolipile, for instance. This simple yet ingenious device, essentially a rudimentary steam engine, transformed steam power into rotational motion. Imagine the Industrial Revolution happening in ancient Greece if this technology had been developed further. Then there was the Heron's fountain. Not merely a decorative piece, it was a siphon that used hydrostatic pressure and hydraulics. This could have paved the way for advanced fluid dynamics. But Heron didn't stop at industrial applications. He also had a flair for theatrics. He invented an automatic theatre, a self-operating puppet show, powered by a binary-like system of ropes and knots. This could have been the precursor to modern automation and programming. And who can forget his coin-operated holy water dispenser, an early vending machine, maintaining sanctity while ensuring fairness. This simple contraption could have revolutionized commerce if it had been taken seriously. But alas, Heron's inventions were seen as novelties, toys even, rather than the groundbreaking innovations they were. We can only speculate, what could our world have looked like if Heron's inventions had been widely adopted? We all know Leonardo da Vinci, the artist. But have you ever heard of Leonardo da Vinci, the inventor? This Renaissance polymath was more than just the mastermind behind Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. His notebooks, filled with sketches and ideas, reveal a man far ahead of his time, dreaming up inventions that wouldn't come to fruition until centuries later. Take, for example, his designs for a flying machine, a concept that predates the Wright brothers by almost 400 years. Da Vinci's ornithopter was designed to soar in the skies like a bird, with flapping wings powered by human muscle. Imagine the spectacle of seeing such a contraption in the 15th century. Then there's his vision of a mechanical knight, a humanoid robot clad in German-Italian medieval armor. This automaton could sit up, wave its arms and even move its head, all powered by a complex system of gears and wheels. Sounds like a precursor to modern robotics, doesn't it? And let's not forget his plans for an armoured vehicle, eerily similar to a modern tank. This mobile fortress was to be covered in metal plates, capable of moving in any direction and equipped with a range of weapons. A 15th century tank rolling through the streets of Florence, can you imagine? These are just a few examples of the genius inventions that never saw the light of day. How different would our world be if Da Vinci's inventions had become a reality? It's a tantalizing question, one that invites us to ponder the true impact of this remarkable man's vision. These inventors and their lost technologies truly pose a tantalizing what-if to our history. We've journeyed through Nikola Tesla's wireless energy dreams, Victor Schauberger's water vortexes, R. Buckminster Fuller's geodesic domes, Heron of Alexandria's ancient innovations, and Leonardo da Vinci's elusive works. Each of these pioneers pushed the boundaries of their time, leaving us with mysteries that continue to intrigue. What do you think about these lost technologies? Could they have changed our world? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.